little scientists, welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. We have so many toys which have magnets in them and we love to play with them also. But not all objects are attracted towards the magnets. In this video, let's find out which substances or materials are attracted towards the magnets. From the Intelli SMART Box, take out the Magnetism Activity kit. Take out the bar magnet, aluminium powder, iron powder, nickel powder, sulfur powder, zinc powder, chalk powder, sawdust and gloves from the Magnetism Activity kit. You will also need coriander powder, turmeric powder, talcum powder and wheat flour from your home. Be careful and do not consume any of the powders. Put on the gloves. Take the bottle of iron powder and open it. Now take the magnet and move it closely over the iron powder. Can you see that the iron powder is attracted to the magnet and hence sticks to it? This shows that iron is a magnetic substance. Note your observation in the observation table given in your magnetism concept manual. Remove the iron powder from the magnet and close the bottle. Now let's test the other powders one by one. Aluminium powder. It doesn't stick to the magnet as it is a non-magnetic material. Nickel powder. Does it stick to the magnet? Yes. This shows that nickel is also a magnetic material. Sulfur powder. No, it doesn't stick to the magnet. Zinc powder. No, even this doesn't stick to the magnet. Chalk powder. No. Sawdust. No. Look, even this doesn't stick. Coriander powder. No. Turmeric powder. No. Talcum powder. No. And the last one is wheat flour. No. This also doesn't stick to the magnet. So, all the powders which do not stick to the magnet are non-magnetic materials. Magnets have the capacity to attract the objects made up of iron, cobalt and nickel. And that's why the iron and nickel powders out of the given ones were attracted towards the magnet. The substances which are attracted towards the magnet are called magnetic materials. The substances which are not attracted towards the magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.